In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Google AI Studio. If you spend a lot of time building prompts or testing models, dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes, especially in low light, and help you focus by reducing glare. Let's walk through it clearly and quickly. Start on your Google AI Studio homepage. This is the main dashboard where you see your projects, prompts, or recent work. Take a second to look at the layout so you're oriented. There's a sidebar on the left and your primary workspace on the right. Everything we need is in that left sidebar, so keep your attention there. Now look to the very bottom left corner of the screen. You'll find the settings control there, typically represented by a small gear icon. If the sidebar is collapsed, you might just see icons without text. Hover your cursor to reveal labels, or expand the sidebar so you can read them more easily. Click Settings to open the panel. If your browser window is short or zoomed in, you might need to scroll the sidebar slightly to expose the gear. Adjusting your zoom level can also help if items feel cramped. With the Settings panel open, locate the Theme section. This is where you control how the interface looks. Click Theme, then choose Dark. As soon as you select Dark, the change should apply immediately across the studio. Backgrounds switch to deeper tones, text contrasts more sharply, and panels and toolbars adopt the darker palette. This visual shift can make long sessions more comfortable and can also help highlight syntax and UI elements in a way that's easier to read. If you're working at night or in a dim room, you should notice a difference right away. If the change doesn't appear instantly, give the page a brief moment to update. Occasionally, your browser's extensions or cached styles can delay the refresh. A quick tab switch or a light refresh usually resolves it. And if you ever want to compare how things look, return to the same theme setting to switch back. The option is always in the same place, so you don't have to relearn the path. That's it. You started on the Google AI Studio homepage, opened Settings from the bottom left corner, and in the Theme section, selected Dark. Your workspace should now be easier on the eyes and ready for extended sessions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building in dark mode.